Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, November 7, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. I'm fine, thanks. Just a little tired. The week feels long.
I know what you mean. I'm good, though. This coffee helps a lot.
Yes, it does. I take mine black, no sugar today.
Same for me, strong and simple. Hey, did you see the news this week? Lots of big stories.
Yeah, I checked on my phone during breaks. What caught your eye?
First, that thing with Trump in Nigeria. He says there's violence against Christians there. Now he tells the Pentagon to get ready for action. Crazy, right?
I saw that on CNN. It's from November 5. Trump keeps talking about it. Sounds like he wants to step in.
Exactly. Controversial stuff. As a sales rep, I think about our clients in Africa. We sell products there. If there's trouble, deals stop.
True. In project management, I handle teams across countries. Tension like this could delay everything. What do you think he'll do?
Hard to say. Maybe send help or talk first. But it's big, affects trade and business.
It does. People say it's mixing politics and religion. Not good. How does it hit sales for you?
Oh, it could be bad. Last year we had a big contract in Lagos. If things heat up, clients get scared. No meetings, no sales.
I get that. For projects, we need stable places. Unrest means extra costs. Insurance goes up.
Yeah, and who pays us? The company. It's all connected. Global news hits home.
Right? Hope it calms down soon. Anyway, another story about technology. NVIDIA hit $5 trillion in value.
Oh man, yes. I read about it in WSJ around October 29. But still hot news. AI is booming. They jumped from 4 trillion in just 3 months.
Amazing. First company ever at $5 trillion. All from AI chips. Everyone needs them for smart tech.
Totally. In sales, we use AI for leads. NVIDIA powers that. If they grow more, our tools get better.
In projects we plan with AI software, it saves time. But is it too much power for one company?
Yeah, controversial. Some call it a monopoly. Big tech rules everything now.
It makes me think. Our office might buy more NVIDIA-based computers. Budget talks coming up?
Good point. I tell my team soon AI does the boring calls, but seriously exciting for jobs and tech sales.
It is. Changes how we work. Faster projects, smarter decisions. But we need to learn it.
True. Training sessions? The boss should do that. Keep up with the boom.
Agree. Without it, we fall behind. NVIDIA shows tech moves quick.
Quick is right. From graphics cards to AI kings, wild ride.
Now the third news, on society. Prince Andrew in the UK. He loses his prince title over Epstein scandal.
The royal guy? Yeah, Buckingham Palace announced it. From CNN details. He has to leave his big house too.
Yes, published around November 3, Epstein case comes back. Big fall for him?
Wow, royals in hot water. Controversial family secrets. Everyone talks about it.
It shows rules apply to whole. Even princes, society cares about justice here.
Like office rumors, but huge. Affects the whole royal image. Tourists might skip the palace.
Maybe. But it's like a drama show. We watch from afar. What do you think it means?
Means reputation matters. In sales, one bad story kills trust. Clients run.
Same in projects. Team must trust each other. One scandal and morale drops.
Exactly. Prince Andrew thought he was safe. Nope. Lesson for us all.
Deep. Makes you reflect on daily choices. Keep it clean.
Haha, yes. No Epstein in the office, please. Just good coffee chats.
Lucky us, these news spark good talks, though.
They do. Mix of world stuff and our world.
True. Helps understand bigger picture. For work and life.
Now back to reality. I have a sales call in 10 minutes. Prep time.
Me too. Project update meeting, deadlines wait for no one.
Good luck. Knock it out.
Thanks, you too. See you tomorrow.
See you. Have a great day.
You as well.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.